Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this detailed guide on replacing the M.2 SSD in your Lenovo Yoga 720 15IKB. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the 10 Phillips screws located around the perimeter. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the M.2 SSD, which is typically situated near the center of the device. It is secured by a single screw. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove this screw and gently slide the SSD out of its slot. Before installing the new SSD, it's a good idea to clean the area to ensure optimal performance. Use a can of compressed air to blow away any dust or debris. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your device is in good hands. Now, take your new M.2 SSD and align it with the slot. Insert it at a slight angle, then press it down flat and secure it with the screw you previously removed. Make sure it's firmly in place, but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the SSD. Next, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace the 10 screws, ensuring they are tightened securely but not excessively. Once the back cover is back on, reconnect your laptop to the power source and power it up. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure that the new SSD is recognized. To do this, press the appropriate key during startup, usually F2 or delete, depending on your model. If you encounter any issues, or if this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Our service includes no calls, no travel, and you'll receive a quote before any repair work is carried out. After confirming that the SSD is recognized, you can proceed to install your operating system or restore from a backup. This process may vary depending on your preferences, but ensure you follow the necessary steps for your specific setup. In conclusion, replacing the M.2 SSD in your Lenovo Yoga 720-15IKB is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your device's performance. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can complete this upgrade yourself. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your upgraded laptop. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.